We just started our day in Kotagiri. We are here with BMC to do Kotagiri Ooty Trek along with the very beautiful Catherine Falls, if you can see the board out there. So we are starting with the trek, and it's a 14 kilometers long trek. So here in Kotagiri Trek we don't have any peaks which we'll be summiting. Instead we will be walking through coffee estates, then forest, then go to few viewpoints, and then come back again to the campsite from another way. So we are going this way, and we'll go all the way around that mountain, and we'll come back on the road this way, which will take around 14 kilometers. Yeah, see you later soon. From here we are entering into tea estate, and by end of the tea estate you can see the forest begins, and that's gonna be the leech infested area which will stretch for another 1 kilometer. So we are being advised to walk continuously for 1 kilometer. Here we enter into Leech Forest.
ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ನೋಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಉಂಟು ಅದು ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪು.
We just came out of Leech Forest. The whole team literally panicked seeing plethora of leeches out here. So everyone just cleaned their shoes. And just one more thing to be aware of is, if you are wearing shoes like this which has got pores in it, there's a good chance that small leeches will directly enter inside the shoes. So it's better to wear these kind of shoes which completely covers. So just don't panic, keep running.
Successful.
We thought it's gonna be an easy cakewalk in the tea estate, but unfortunately no. There are like a lot of ascents and descents, and leeches everywhere. Leeches are in the shoes, are in the pants. No, that's a one big beautiful leech. Now we have to go there. So we have Rudraksh tree out here. So here I got Teen Mukhi Rudraksh.
ಹಂಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಜೂಮ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕಣ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೌದು. ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾನೋರಮಾ.
So this is the highest point we'll be reaching in Kotagiri Ooty Track. So this is what we call it as a viewpoint, and from here we'll be getting down. Before reaching campsite we'll be heading towards Catherine Falls, take a dip, and then move towards base camp.
ಏನದು
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಳ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐತೆ ಅಂತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. So right now we are going towards a pond, and here we see stream of water.
ವಾವ್.
We are finally at pond. ಲೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಏನಾರು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಲೇ.
ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
So this is the most adventurous section of Kotagiri Ooty Trek. Reaching the pond, and while coming back we faced a heavy rainfall and the boulders have all got slippery.
ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಕಡದ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಿಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಶೂ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಯ್ಯನಂತೆ. ಮಳೆ ಗಿಡ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೈತಾ
ಏನೇನೋ ಶಿವ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
We are heading towards Catherine Falls now, and this is the way through all the bushes.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಅದಾವ ಶಿವು
ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತೀನಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಸರಿ.
So here we are at Catherine Falls. Ideally we were supposed to go down there through this way, but now because of the water overflow it has become slippery and we cannot go down today. Else the view would have been awesome. So bison out here, be aware of it, don't try to go in front of it, it will be dangerous. Hello everyone, say hi. So this is our beautiful trek group, and I will be uploading this video to YouTube in a week's time, so please do watch and subscribe. And you, my friend, please do subscribe. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು